Hello everyone, we are here with another new video. Today we will give you tips about 6 plank variations for a quick flat stomach. It's a dream of everyone to get a flat belly. So friends, no worries. If you follow our suggestions, you will surely get your desired flat stomach soon. So before you start watching our video, please subscribe to our channel for more new exciting videos. Forearm Plank. The forearm plank is a static core exercise similar to holding the top of a push-up with both the elbows and hands making contact with the floor. The pose engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously, building core, back, leg, and arm strength, especially for abdominal burn fat. Forearm planks target the transverse abdominis, the rectus abdominis, and the internal and external oblique. Taut abs not only keep your tummy flat, but also support your lower back, preventing pain and posture problems as you age. Your abs aren't the only muscle group getting some attention during the forearm plank. Side plank. I am not a massive fan of the side plank, but sometimes the pose you don't really like are the same ones you need to do the most. Here are some great benefits of side plank. So I now try to work it into every practice. This pose works your core to a great extent. You have to use your belly muscles to stay upright, so you will be feeling the core work the day after. This exercise helps you to be one long, strong line of energy in this pose. And if you want a strong core and abs of steel, start with side plank. Leg raise. Leg raise is a perfect exercise for abs and hips, as they are the most challenging ones to lose excess fat fast. Luckily, these exercise benefits include losing belly fat fast and even strengthening muscles. You will get different benefits of the leg raise exercise to the body. Leg raise exercises strengthen your lower abdominal muscles. Leg raises target your lower and upper abdominal muscles, while floor leg raises burn fat in your lower abs. Although these are challenging exercises for beginners to get faster results. Plank crunch. Plank crunch is an abdominal exercise that involves the entire abdomen, but mostly works only the abdominal fat, which is a part of your core. Crunches are great bodyweight exercise to tone your abs if you are looking to lose belly fat on priority. Crunches help build muscles and increase their flexibility. They make six-pack abs possible and help resistance the core, which includes lower back muscles and oblique. They improve the overall posture. Reverse plank. The reverse plank exercise is an often missed exercise that is great for the core. It targets the posterior muscles, but it also correctly engages the abdominal muscles. Although this exercise is mostly common seen in yoga classes, it's an excellent addition to any basic core workout routine. Suppose you are beginners learning the regular plank. Progress to holding the reverse plank for just a few seconds at a time with good form. Your key is more than just your abdominal muscles. Plank hip dip. Plank exercises are fantastic for the core. The length of time you can plank is an excellent indicator of your core strength and overall fitness. The additional hip rotation further engages your core. A great HIIT sequence to end with is plank hip dips. Planking will help build your inner core muscles. When your abdominal muscles become stronger, your midsection will tighten. To get a six-pack, you also have to shed fat. Planks reduce back pain because they strengthen your core, which will reduce back pain. So friends, don't wait up. Start your exercise from now to get better results. Please share this video and hit the bell button. Stay healthy and happy.